Phoenix just spilt some milk on the floor. So before wiping it up, I just thought I'd let her clean it up. Might save me some work. Oh, she's really enjoying that. He or she, I don't know. What a life, just feeding off all the patrons of this establishment. Going back and forth. Oh, what do you got to offer me? Oh, okay. Hey, look at this. I might not even have to wipe it up now. Wow. Huh. Yeah. So, the pool is apparently open at 7 a.m. So that's where I'm heading at 7 a.m. It's not there yet. Beautiful sunny day here. Temperature is perfect. It's about maybe 22. A little humid. Nice air. Wild ginger. And I have a cat in my room, licking all the milk up off my floor. Wow. Yeah. Good start to the day. And then tonight I'm climbing up Volcan Agung. Pick me up at 10, and then I go on a 1.5 hour drive with him to the volcano, and then from midnight till 6 a.m. we hike to the top of the volcano to see the sunrise. Wow. Sounds good to me. Sound good to you, Phoenix?